5 million Americans are battling Alzheimer's, and the numbers are expected to triple in the coming years.
But if Alzheimer's is caught early, doctors have a better chance of treating the disease. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez says now there is a simple at-home test to help spot telltale problems early.
Though she spends much of her retirement traveling the world, Emily Schornstein still finds time to help with medical research. Emily's a retired nurse who volunteers for studies involving Alzheimer's disease, which can sometimes call for some very invasive procedures.
And I've done MRIs and CAT scans, and even an LP, lumbar puncture.
But now she's testing a new approach that simply involves a pen, paper, and a few minutes of her time. It's called a SAGE test, and a new study shows it can reveal volumes about a patient's mind.
What we found was that this SAGE self-administered test correlated very well with the very detailed cognitive testing.
Researchers at the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center developed the test, which asks things like the date, name everyday objects, make simple calculations, and so on. More than 1,000 patients took it over 5 years. Nearly 30% showed early signs of cognitive problems they didn't know they had. By repeating the test from time to time, doctors now have a cheap and easy way to monitor their patients and detect even slight changes in their cognitive ability.
If we see this change, we can catch it really early, and we can start treatments much earlier than we did without a test.
Which is crucial. Studies show most Alzheimer's patients wait 3 to 4 years before being treated. Emily knows better.
It's a way to maybe help me or help somebody else in the future.
Much like a mammogram only screens for breast cancer, the SAGE test doesn't actually diagnose Alzheimer's. It spots memory and thinking problems early so that more definitive tests can be done to tell if it really is Alzheimer's. Dr. Max Gomez, CBS 2 News.
If you want to take a SAGE test, go to cbsnewyork.com to download one of 4 versions of the pen and paper test.